All right, let me dive right into it. You can see that I have a calendar up here on the left, and I'm just going to pick out an event here in the future. Today is July 6, 2025. I've loaded all the MLB data here in my personal calendar, and I've taken my personal calendar data, or it could be a business calendar client, really wouldn't matter, and sent that data to the AWS Calendar Invite server, which is right here in this dashboard. So I'm going to pick out Washington Nationals. I'm going to go in here and actually change some of the data. I'm going to say stop by booth 786 for a free hot dog today. And I'm going to save that. And what's going to happen, let me just show you there's no tricks going on. So Washington Nationals versus Boston, that is right over here. You'll see that it's essentially the same as it was here. There was no stop by booth 786 for a free hot dog. That in particular is not on this data over here in this AWS Calendar Invite server running. I'm going to hit save. You'll see what happens. It's going to push that data to the AWS Calendar Invite server and do an update. That update is transparent to you as a user and as administrator. This is a Lambda exercise running in the back, and it automates the process of change data capture, or CDC, using the calendar client as CRUD. And what we mean by that is create, read, update, and delete. Essentially, the calendar client suffices as the engine to insert data into the AWS Calendar Invite server. So what does that mean? Well, let me just refresh the screen, and you'll see that stop by booth 786 today for a free hot dog. That was mapped from me doing this right here, and I'll do it again. We'll just do plural. We'll say free hot dogs today and a beer, and you'll see that the change data update will occur automatically. I'm going to send it again, and it pushed that data to the Calendar Invite server. I'll go ahead and refresh again, and you'll see that the changes occurred. Stop by 786, free hot dog, today, and a beer. So that change data capture was happening here in this engine, and the engine here was built by us. It's called AWS Calendar Invite server, and the quick replay on this is I push data, in this particular case here, 2,500 events to the AWS Calendar Invite server. I displayed them, and I just showed you essentially how it worked. I took information here off my personal calendar invite. I went into a particular game. I did a change event. I pushed it here. The ingest engine disassembled it and then reassembled it on the get command of the API gateway. And we just redisplayed the change data capture in the event management system here. And if anybody got a calendar invite downstream, that calendar invite data would be automatically updated through the updating process. Thanks for stopping by.